Hello, friends. Can you believe it? We've made it to the final day of our 10-day challenge. Today, we'll celebrate your success, review what you've learned, and most importantly, have some fun. I'm Professor English, and I'm so excited to be with you as you finish this 10-day journey. You've done an amazing job, so let's keep up that energy and make today unforgettable. If you missed any of the earlier lessons, be sure to go back and watch them for the best results. I have some exciting news. I have a special gift for you today. Stay until the end of the video to find out what it is. If you're enjoying the challenge, please subscribe and hit the like button to support us. Let's jump right in and get started. On day 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves and ask simple questions. Let's quickly review that lesson. Ready? Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Professor English. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Great job. Now, let's practice a few more questions we learned. I'll ask you some questions and you choose the correct answer. Ready? What do you say when meeting someone for the first time? A. Goodbye. B. Nice to meet you. C. See you later. Great. The correct answer is B. Nice to meet you. If someone asks, "How old are you?" how do you answer? A. I am 25 years old. B. I live in Miami. C. I have a pet. Awesome. The correct answer is A. I am 25 years old. What question would you ask if you want to know where someone lives? A. What's your name? B. How old are you? C. Where do you live? Exactly. The right answer is C. Where do you live? Well done. Keep practicing these greetings and questions, and soon you'll be even more confident introducing yourself in English. Ready for day 2? Let's keep going. Now, let's review some of the vocabulary we learned on day 2. Repeat after me as we go through each word. Apple, dog, book, car, happy, sad. Excellent. Now, let's test your memory with a quick quiz. I'll say a word, and I want you to point to or think of that item around you. Find something that is an apple. What's a car? Can you point to one or say the word? Can you see something that makes you feel happy or point to the happy face? You're doing great. Let's keep going. On day 3, we focused on grammar. Let's review some basic sentences we practiced. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast every day. Do you like coffee? She does not play tennis. Great job! Now, let's make it a little more interactive with a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence, but there's a mistake in it. Can you figure out what's wrong and say the correct sentence? Listen carefully. He don't like pizza. Is that correct? No, it's not. The correct sentence is, he does not like pizza. Good catch. Here's another one. She plays soccer every weekend. Can you correct it? That's right. It should be, she plays soccer every weekend. Let's try one more. Do she like coffee? What's the correct form? You got it. It's, does she like coffee? Excellent work. You're doing amazing. Now, let's practice a few more sentences. Repeat after me again. He reads a book. They play soccer. Do you like pizza? She does not like coffee. Wonderful. Now, try making your own sentences using what you've learned. You can practice with a friend, family member, or even by writing them down. Keep up the great work. On day 4, we learned some must-know phrases for daily conversations. Let's practice them again. I'll say the phrase, and you repeat after me. Ready? Good morning. How are you? Good night. See you tomorrow. Can you help me with this? Where is the nearest bathroom? Awesome. Now let's make this more fun. I'm going to say a phrase, and I want you to respond using one of the phrases we just practiced. Good morning. Did you say, how are you? Perfect. It's getting late. Did you say, good night, see you tomorrow? Great. I can't find the bathroom. Where is the nearest bathroom? Well done. Keep practicing these with a friend or family member. They'll become second nature in no time. On day 5, we worked on pronunciation. Let's make sure we're mastering those vowel sounds. I'll say the vowel and you repeat after me. Ready? A as in cat. E as in bed. I as in sit. O as in dog. U as in sun. Great. Now, let's play a quick game. I'll say a word, and I want you to tell me what vowel sound you hear. Are you ready? Hat. That's right. The vowel sound is A. Pen. Correct. The vowel sound is E. Fish. Great job. The vowel sound is I. Pot. Yes. The vowel sound is O. Cup. Well done. The vowel sound is U. Fantastic. Keep practicing these sounds every day to improve your pronunciation. You're doing an amazing job. On day 6, we learned some important vocabulary. Let's review together. Repeat after me. Big, small, play, eat. Great job! Now, let's make it more interesting. I'll say the word and I want you to use it in a sentence. After a few seconds, I'll give you an example. Ready? Use big in a sentence. The house is big. Now use eat in a sentence. I eat dinner with my family every night. Next, use play in a sentence. The kids play soccer in the park. Finally, use small in a sentence. This shirt is too small for me. Fantastic! Keep practicing using new words in sentences. The more you practice, the easier it gets. On day 7, we focused on reading and writing. Let's do a quick reading exercise. I'll read a sentence and you repeat after me. The cat is on the mat. The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. Now, I want you to write a short sentence about what you see around you. It could be something simple like, the dog is playing, or the sky is blue. Ready? Take a few seconds to write your sentence. How did you do? Great! Here's an example of a sentence you could write. The coffee is hot. Remember, writing a little every day is a fantastic way to improve. On day 8, we had fun with idioms. Remember, idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say. Let's review some. Repeat after me. Break the ice. This means to start a conversation or create a more relaxed atmosphere. Hit the nail on the head. This means to say exactly the right thing or to be correct about something. Piece of cake. This means something is very easy to do. Great! Now, let's use these idioms in sentences. Repeat after me. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. That test was a piece of cake. Well done! Keep practicing these idioms to sound more like a native speaker. Idioms are fun and can really help you express yourself more naturally. On day 9, we practiced having conversations. Let's try one now. Repeat after me. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Now let's try another one. Repeat after me. What do you do for fun? I enjoy playing the guitar. Fantastic! Practice these conversations with someone today. It's time for the final quiz. What's the correct way to ask someone's name? A. What is your name? B. How are you called? The correct answer is A. Which phrase means something is easy? A. Piece of cake, or B. Break the ice. The correct answer is A. Complete this sentence. I breakfast every day. A. Eat, or B. Eats. The correct answer is A. Correct this sentence. She do not like pizza. The correct sentence is she does not like pizza. Great work! You've done such an amazing job. Wow! You've done an amazing job over the past 10 days. Learning a new language is a big achievement, and you should be very proud of yourself. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to being fluent. As a special reward, we've prepared a free workbook just for you. It's packed with fun exercises and activities to help you practice what you've learned. You can download it by clicking the link below. Keep practicing and keep learning. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep learning with us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.